Hello, my name is Jeannie.
And I'm Aura.
We're here to tell you about an exciting way of learning we've developed that can be used to help you, your children, and anyone else who wants to learn something new in a fun and engaging way.
We're aware that many of today's students are not engaged in learning by the current methods that are being used in most schools. A lot of teaching is still being carried out where the teacher talks or shows a PowerPoint and the students listen and take notes.
We plan to change this traditional way of learning by developing an educational app that can be used on mobile devices, such as the iPad, the iPhone, and Android devices. This app includes an entire comprehensive course using our patent-pending technology. It adjusts the material being delivered based on what the student understands. Our educational lab will consist of multiple levels of lessons. Each level is built on concepts from the previous level. Each lesson is broken up into learning objectives that the student needs to master in order to proceed in the course. As the student progresses through the course, our patent-pending technology will allow the app to adjust to the learning level of the student. We call this process the building block method.
Instead of the traditional way of instruction, where a student is given a lot of dry, boring information and then asked questions about it, our building block app will deliver the prescribed content through engaging text, images, interactive elements like flashcards, video, audio, and links to websites. It will also include critical thinking questions which will allow students to demonstrate their understanding of each learning objective.
We are very excited about creating our first full-featured building block application, which is called Big Ideas in Space Science. It is aimed at the middle school students because recent reports show that many students at this level are having challenges understanding scientific concepts. We believe our space science app will address this need.
Some of the major features of the app are lessons written by a content expert. You can see titles of some of the lessons in the write-up below. We will include beautiful high-quality images, informative videos, links to relative websites, a glossary of terms that can be accessed from within the app, and other interactive elements. We will also develop critical thinking questions along with explanations so that students will know why a question was correct or incorrect. Other features we will include are an e-manual, which is basically an interactive textbook of all the content contained within the app, and a history page that tracks all student responses and can be used by teachers, parents, or anyone else who needs to access the information.
As you can see, this app will not only be jam-packed with accurate, entertaining, and relevant information, but it will include the technology to provide each student with the exact amount of instruction they need. So please, join us in transforming the way students learn with mobile devices by developing an educational app that will help them to develop a deeper understanding of the world around them.